And it's a multiplier.
Wow, guys, that's hot.
So we beat them for the first round because they had 25 and they had 26 the second round.
Yeah, I bet you were tracking it.
Yeah, we're gonna win. That is right.
Oh, 38?
Yeah, Dad, they beat us.
Can we beat them again?
We're about to. We got one more round.
Okay.
We're almost to their score already. What? Hit it, Darby.
Oh.
Xbox Connect. You look like a nerd, Darby.
That's good.
Did we win?
I don't know. Yeah, we did.